Hi friends, welcome to Sonesh Teja channel. Now you're going to watch the how to update AMD graphics driver or display driver of your laptops or computers, and how to install AMD Radeon software which help in improvement of graphics and some other features of gaming settings. Let's start the video right now. After this small intro. Now we need to open Chrome and go to this website. Here we need to download the auto detect and install Radeon graphics driver for Windows. It will help us to auto detect the driver in our system and install the driver. I have given this website link in the description. Otherwise you can download it in another way also by selecting your processor or your graphics driver product in it. I have already downloaded it, so I am not downloading it again. Now just give accept and it automatically installs. After that it will show you the two versions of the drivers which are available to our system. Select the optional driver. In many cases there will be factory reset enabled. Please don't worry about it. You will not lose any data of yours. It will just delete the old drivers present in the system and installs the new drivers. Now I have opened the AMD Radeon software, some settings over it. You can see device hotkeys, and now I am opening graphics. These are the modes available as per your use. I am using it for gaming purpose, so I will keep it gaming. Many more other options have been given for us. You can select any of them. It's your own wish. Now let me show you the system settings present in it. You can check the other driver updates over future. You can see your GPU model and RAM and processor model and how many cores does it have and some other settings. I will give detailed review over it in the next video about this software. Yeah, yesterday I have installed a new Windows update over my laptop. You can see it has changed the start menu for me, and icons also have been improved a lot. It's look pretty cool in new version update of Windows. Friends, in some cases it may not install the driver properly. So for that solution is go to search and search for device manager, and in device manager go to display adapters. Select the whatever driver there with AMD Radeon for you. Now open it. Go to drivers and click on update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick for a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the latest version available in there. There you can see the dates also which are added to. Now click next and restart your PC. That's it. The driver will be completely installed properly now. I have already done it, so I am doing cancellation. Thanks for watching guys. Please support me like this. Like, share and subscribe for my video. More videos will be coming soon. Please stay tuned.